Friends, happiness is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Happiness has become a luxury now when it has to be an absolute necessity for each and every human being. Have you ever seen an unhappy person dealing with life well? Now let's delve into the reason why unhappiness. Unhappiness is an effect of an individual. You experience unhappiness when there is an inability to understand yourself. There is an inability to deal with your mind. There is an inefficiency to improve on your intellect. There is a helpless victim experience which comes to your sense organs. Unhappiness is due to our inability to deal with ourselves. Again, unhappiness is an inability to deal with the world of objects and beings. You don't know how to control that demand of yourself, the demand which you have created towards the world. The unhappiness is due to a lack of harmony which you are not able to create between you and the world. Therefore, happiness has become a luxury. You find a person who is very happy. How is it possible? Happiness is a dying art these days, friends. Happiness should not be a luxury. Happiness should be an absolute necessity. That's why I say anything and everything you do out of happiness, not for happiness. You're working on your physical body out of happiness. You understand the grandeur of nature's creation. You work on your physical body and working on your mind out of happiness. If you can experience profound emotions like compassion, love, forgiveness, gratitude, why would I miss out on that profound experiences? And intellect, the potential to think, the potential to make progressive choices. So, out of happiness, happiness is becoming a dying art. It should be an aspect of us. Happiness, let it not become a luxury, friends, in our life. Happiness is an absolute necessity. Comforts helps you. Pleasures helps you. Validation helps you. But we can't be dependent on it. Therefore, the more you learn about yourself, about your mind, about your intellect, about your physical body, more you are in sync with the spiritual knowledge, whatever be your faith, the more you are in sync with the spiritual knowledge, you are better off. We are all physically grown, emotionally immature, and spiritually we are infants. I repeat, we could be physically grown adults, but emotionally we are immature, and spiritually we are infants. We've got to bridge the gap. Let's learn about ourselves. Let's learn how to relate with the world, and you will be happy all times. It is not a luxury anymore. It's a necessity which is a part of your life. You can't do away with necessity. We can't do away with oxygen. We can't do away with water. Certain aspect becomes a necessity. Work on it, friends. It will be a beautiful way to live life. Happy life. Thank you.